Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, January 21st, and looking at coin market cap, we have the market cap of crypto at just above $119 billion. So we have shaved quite a bit off the market cap this weekend. I want to say about, I think, close to $5 billion off the market cap. The 24-hour volume has also fallen to just above $15 billion. Looking at the top 10, you can see here where a lot of the most of the top 10 is right here at the neutral point. We're not too much red, there's really no green except for one of my new favorites, Tron. Tron, it sounds like a broken record, but this thing is always in the green. It's up 6%. And it is far above anything else in the top 10. Looking at the past 24 hours, DEX has gone up 209%. BC0 has gone up 44%, and 10x has gone up another 23%. As we know, 10x has been on a run as of late, but nothing tops DEX with over 200% in the past 24 hours. Looking at Bitcoin here in the 1 hour time frame. So Bitcoin fell down here and has been inside of this range here. Currently is below the 9 EMA. So we know we have to get above that. It has created a small little gap here on the 1 hour time frame. I'm sure that'll fill on the next move up. But currently, this is what we're looking at for the 1 hour time frame of Bitcoin. We're starting to turn neutral here on the MACD. It was turning bullish, but the lack of liquidity here is really causing this to start turning into a bearish state. The RSI, however, is neutral and it's at 36 points, so we have plenty of room to go to the upside. Now, looking at this here, you can pretty much already guess where this thing is heading. We have been doing nothing but Bart Simpson patterns over and over and over again. As you can see here, you can see here, you can see here. So I anticipate we're going to see another BART. Whether it's going to be on this turn here or another level down before we BART, who knows? But looking at this here, it's we're probably going to go up, and just because we've had two BARTs already down here. And more than likely, we're going to go up. But it's kind of hard to say because it is a Monday, and we normally do have bloody Mondays. So that's going to be a hard one. Looking at the 4 hour time frame here, let's look at the MACD. The MACD is starting to want to turn neutral. So that's one thing to look at. After this fall we've had here, we have now created a new resistance. So we have this new resistance here, which was prior support here, and we're still below the 9 EMA on the 4 hour time frame. So something to look out there. The 1 day time frame here, you can see where Bitcoin's inside of this wedge, and I posted the scenario here. I'm thinking one of two scenarios. We either go up to the top of this wedge and get rejected the way we have here in the past, or we continue to come down and we start testing those $3,200 levels. The 12-hour chart, doesn't look much different, kind of gives the same scenario. I mean, looking at the MACD here on the 12-hour time frame, you can see where it's already starting to turn bearish. Looking at the 1 day time frame on the MACD, is starting to turn bearish as well. So these higher time frames are kind of giving you a little bit better perspective when you zoom out of where the momentum is heading. And if we don't head up on the BART pattern on the 1 hour time frame, I'm afraid we're going to do another downturn the way we did here. Except here, we actually consolidated for a few days before we headed back down for another leg down, before we did a BART pattern back up. So we might do one of these here where we're going to drop one more time before we BART up. But looking at the 1 day time frame, that kind of gives me the impression. Now, keep in mind, guys, that we do have some movements in some of the alts. We will cover that as on our 1 o'clock Zoom session coming up in about 4 to 5 hours. Today is Monday 21st, so it'll be the first Zoom session of the week, and we'll have that coming up for the Discord members. Thank you, guys, and trade safe.